None of us made it through childhood without experiencing some form of trauma. Coming up, I'm going to show you a powerful meditation that will help you heal painful experiences from your past and help you reconnect to your true joy. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and above all, subscribe. Welcome to your integration of inner child meditation video. In this meditation, you will be integrating an aspect of yourself or inner child fractured due to past trauma and pain. None of us made it through childhood without experiencing some form of pain and trauma. In fact, for many, some of the pain and trauma experienced in childhood created fracturing of the self. And fracturing of the self impacts our overall sense of well-being, our confidence and self-esteem, as well as our ability to give and receive unconditional love and experience joy. Before beginning this meditation, find a picture of your childhood self at an age where you remember feeling pain and reconnect to that image of yourself. If you do not have a picture, you can hold an image of yourself at that age in your mind. If you do not have conscious memory of an age when you experienced pain and trauma as a child, complete the trauma mapping exercise and then return to this video. To begin, follow steps 1 through 3 of the Introduction to Meditation video. Once you are in a relaxed state using sound and breath, you are ready to continue. Now, as you are breathing in and out, imagine yourself at the age where you experienced pain. Imagine this child separate from you, laying, sitting, or standing in front of you. Continue breathing. If you can't imagine this step, say in your mind, "My inner child of," for example, 4, is with me. As you are breathing, imagine your inner child with you. Say in your mind, "I love you. You are perfect. You are safe and protected. I will never let you go." Repeat this mantra several times while you continue to breathe. Then as you are breathing, imagine you are now holding this child in your lap and repeat the mantra. "I love you. You are perfect. You are safe and protected. I will never let you go." Continue breathing. Repeat this mantra several times. If you can't imagine this step, say in your mind, "I am holding my inner child of," for example, 4, in my lap. Then repeat the mantra. You may find that this meditation brings up emotions. If so, simply place one of your hands on your heart, continue to repeat the mantra, and allow the emotions to come. Do this meditation daily, in addition to or in place of your regular daily meditation, for 21 days, or until you no longer feel pain or negative emotion. This meditation can be completed for any age where you have experienced trauma. However, if you have multiple ages where you have experienced trauma, integrate one age at a time.